Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Live with Freedom Forever, and this time we're going to learn a topic about the Windows Server 2008. I hope the total course you will be with me. I will try to give you some knowledge, means I will share some knowledge about mine with you, and I hope that if there is any things you can share with me. And I am using the Windows Server 2008 because I didn't upgrade myself till now, and also I think there's if you know that Windows Server 2008 is a very little difference. I think there's other servers in Windows that it can help you to upgrade easily. So let's start the course. In the first course, this one will connect with a server with this IP, and also if you see that's we're going to connect a server with the IP, and there will be a router, and then there will be one client. So this is the scenario of the first time, this first module. So for that reason, what we will require, yes, we have the server, no problem, and this router, as we are reading the Windows 2008, so I will make a router by adding one server with two LAN card. So one LAN card will have this IP address and another will have this IP address, and it will connect with the client. And for this total course, what you will need, please check my first video about the requirements. What I mentioned there in very well, and we will use the workstation VMware, and this is the server 2008 R2 and Windows 2007. So the Windows 2007 will be our client. I already installed, so let's here you can see all the machines, the VMware machines. I already did everything. So do one thing, let's see that I have already this machine or not. Server01, so server DC server01, yes, server01, yes, I have already this server. So we can start with this server. Let me check. Yes, okay, so let's start with this one. So from here you can do this one, click here or click open to open the file, and here server details. Okay, I have the server01 for my course already here. Also I added already. So server01, you can check my first video. This I mentioned there everything. That's how you can add a LAN card, how you can add a router or a server. So you can check that one. Very soon I will upload that one also, if it's not available now. So we will add this one, and what you need to do, you just need to configure the memory is 1 GB, the network will be host, and in option I change the name, and everything will be remain same. So okay, so we start our server. Okay, this is one, and then what we require a router 1. So router 1 will take a router as a server. Already we have a router here, you can see the router. So I configured this one in past. So let's do one thing. Router 1, I just delete this one from here. Remove. And to make a router 1, I am doing it because you need to know one configuration in the router. That's the reason I am adding one router. Yes, for that reason it will take a little time, I think. So make this one SRV. Okay, this one, okay, this one I didn't configure anything about this, so this will be good for make router 1. Just change the name here. So let's add this one. From VM you can go to file, new virtual machine. I need to open, not new virtual machine, I need to open. So from here, our control O, so I need to go here. I will add one router, open this one, the file, open. So my router is added. So for making it more clear, I take the router up and that's a router. So I am confused why it didn't get Windows Server. Why is the name is like this? I don't need this. Remove. Control O. Okay, so you add it and then change the name. It is Router01. I add this one, Router01. I need server. Okay, whatever I don't require, I just delete from this site. Okay, this will make you more clear. So remove. Sorry, that's because I was doing some other videos, and for that reason these are available here. So in this way you can remove this one. Router 2 in this time I don't need. In the next video we need a client. The client configuration is also same, but if you want I can show you one client also. It's the same like the router. Whatever we'll do with the other card is the same with the client also, will be the same. So for that reason, to make the video not more lengthy, I will not add a new client, but if you're facing problem, please let me know. I'll show you how to have the client for Windows, or check my other videos. That's there will be I describe in very good way each and every. So the server 1 is already up. The router, you see the router, we need to change it as I told you last time. So make it 1 GB, no need more than that. And here the network, make it host, and option, this is Router01. Yes, Router01 is good, looks good. what we will do, we will add another card. It totally depends on you, that you can add now or you can add another card later also. So as I know that this router will need 2 LAN card, I can add the 2 LAN card now. So, or I will show you in the program how to add a LAN card through the program, because it's easy to add now and it will add. But when I will start the router, then also I can add in the program. So okay, it's better that we enter with a complete full package. So network adapter, next, make it host, connect on power, finish. Okay, so you will see here this 1 GB processor, 40 GB and everything, and now we have two LAN card. So what you need to do, you need to make the power on. It will take a time. Then yes, I copied it just here, press it here. So let's make it big size. So you can see now that the device is already ready. So it means, and we have a message here, but don't do anything, just restart later, or you just close it. So restart later. Now you can see that there is no name. What we need to do, this for every time we need to do mainly three things. One is that we'll provide the name, this one, change, make it Router01. This will be the name. Apply this chance. Okay, close, restart later. Because why? Because we need to do another things. What are the things? We just press from your keyboard Windows R, or from here you need to go to run, to this one, and then press the sys prep in caps or small, no problem, and press enter. So in sys prep, double click, and click here and reboot. Okay, so that's the all things at this moment we need to do with these things. So it will reboot the system. And I am apologizing because my client is in the software is in Spanish version, so don't mind about the language. I hope you just I will show you where you need to click and what you need to do. Just follow those things. I hope you'll understand. But if you're facing problem, just let me know. I will try to solve it. So let's go to the client at this moment. And client, you need to put 512 in, but maybe you will see 2 GB also, but all the configuration is same, 512, and here the network is this, and option you make the client. Okay, and nothing else. So we start the client. Let's go to C record. We're trying to sysprep the machine. Okay, It's telling us we're having an error. Let's see again. Generalize, reboot. Okay. Already the client is up. You can see that says it's done and says restarting. So okay, now you can see this this screen, and what we need to do, I'll not change anything here, just because for the this lesson I'll remains as it is. If you want to change, you can change yourself, no problem. So just click next, accept, start. So it's done. So what you need to do to enter, you can do the Control to delete from your keyboard, or there is another way. Here, if you check this one, you can click here. It's the same like Control to delete from the machine. So this one, I just press this button. So I will enter like administrator, so I'm administrator, and first time you need to change. So just give a password for that. So I gave and click this one. OK. So this one is up. This also the same, you need to do like this, and I make it this controller, so you know I made a mistake because already I made this one as a part of domain controller, so sorry, we'll not use with this computer, we will add the another one. So from client was client 2. Yeah, client 2 I didn't change till now. Suppose this one will be our client 1. For this project we'll make it client 1. So I remove this one, and made a mistake, so I will add a new PC, Windows client 1. Yes, I configured this as I told you the previous video. I configure everything. Why it's came again? Okay, I copy it. Where's the configuration? It has. Okay. Track, okay. Everything is okay. Okay, it's up also. And to come out from this window, you can see you cannot, sometimes you cannot come out, so that time you just press Control and Alt from your keyboard. Just press one time, so the mouse will be free from the window. Then you can click other places. So okay, now we have this one. Didn't change the name. Okay, no problem. Do one thing, it's better to change the name. It will not make any effect, but just as we're doing everything step by step, so it's better to do everything on step by step. Just now. Okay, it's done. So everything is on configurations is okay. So first let's go to configure this server for this IP. So what we need to do, we'll enter to the server, click here and click here, administrator, so this is our server PC. In the server PC we need to provide configure only the network. Let's check the property. We don't need this one. Then property, and here as you saw we need to give this address 200 200 150 and gateway is 101. So it will be 200 200 150 200 200 101. Okay, and close. That's done from here. So let's go to the router. Let's see. Yes, it's already up. We need to give the router, we need to give its priorities to LAN, as I told you, LAN 1, LAN 2. So let's configure the network. Just for our understand, give a name it LAN 1 and this one LAN 2. So LAN 1 do the same here, 200 200 101, 200 200 101. At this moment we are not giving anything here. Okay, close. And this one make it parties. Okay, no problem. We don't need this one. This cannot again. Properties. No need this one. Properties. And this one is the scenario is 192.168.1.1. So 192.168.1.1. Here what's happened, here we can give the gateway of another LAN number like 200 200 101, this one, but I will remain everything empty. We'll see what's going on. Okay, So close is done. Okay, and now in client. So as I told you that I'm really sorry because I don't have any other version, and this is in Spanish. So here the LAN card, you need to enter the LAN card and just click on the open the network connections from your PC, and then change the second option, that change the adapter setting. So here the LAN properties, here properties, and what we need to give here the number 10, and this gateway is this. Okay, so 192.168.1.10, and gateway is 192.168.1.1. and DNS, we don't need any DNS at this moment. Accept, close. Okay, so what you need to do from the three okay, yes, and work, close. So what you need to do from here, the client or from router or server, everywhere, you need to close the firewall. So for firewall, I need to go to the router, just write firewall, and whatever is coming, Windows firewall properties, you need to just off, apply, okay. Just this you need to do is the same for this in firewall. Don't mind about the language, use the same for everywhere. The firewall, you need to make the connection of the firewall, sorry, you need to properties of the firewall, you need to inactive, you need to make it inactive. Everything is already done, I did it before. So, and here in this one also you need to firewall, in firewall properties, you see this one also we need to make it off, apply, okay. So that's all for our thing. So now we need to make a ping test. Let's see that's how is the connection from here, but it will not, till now it's not finished. Why? Because we have a LAN card, but till now the LAN card is not operating like a router. So to operate like a router, you need to configure it. So how you can configure, you need to add role, and add role, you can go to next, or you can go to direct to the role. You need to click network policy and access service, and then need to click next, then next, and click this one, the routing remote access, click next and install it. So it's take a little time, not much time. So once it's installed, you see here is written successfully it's installed. So close it, and now our router is also, we also configured the router. So let's go to the router here, and if you go to the networking, routing or remote access, also there is a command. With the command you can enter also, but if we press the routing and remote access, you can go here, and you see that the router is already in this moment is switch off, means it's red. So what we need to do, we need to enter here, we need to make configure and enable routing and remote access. We click here, we click next, and here custom configuration. So next, and we need to connect with the LAN routing. So LAN routing, next, and then we need to finish this one. Start service, yes. So just take some minutes and some seconds, and it's done, finish. So you can see, you can do one thing, you can start the service also, or task, if not restart the service or something. I just make one time restart. So let's try that's our ping is working or not. So we need to ping the two network. We need to ping from, let's see, that is connect here and there, and then we will try from here. So just ping, first ping itself. Yes, itself is okay. Then it has another is 1.1 or 100, sorry, is 1.1. I made a mistake, sorry. Yes, 1.1. Yes, also good. So from here we can ping the both side 1.10, yes, and also 50, yes. So here is okay, it's working very good. Let's see from here we can ping or not. In command prompt, ping itself 1.10, yes, it's pinging itself. Now ping to the gateway, yes. Let's try now to ping to the 200.100.1, yes, it's looking great. And this one, wow, yes, everything is perfect. So from here we can ping to our this one in this server, though it has different IP address, and from server let's ping 200, 100. This one is 50 itself, yes. And now I'll not check others, I will directly try to ping to the client. Wow, it means the client now can make connection itself. Because why? You understood that we make this connection the router for that reason. If no, that would be impossible, that the client couldn't make, means couldn't reach each other. So it's working like a breeze. You can tell a router or you can tell a breeze, like that is working now. So I hope that you understood, and thank you for your time. I hope that we can continue the course, so like it and share it, and wait for the next lesson. Thank you.